For the Acro strength workout, we're working the back arch. So the pull version is using the rings, controlling it, coming down. If you need to, just keep the knees down, keep it safe. Want to get those lower ribs in, traction out. To make that one harder, bring the knees together, pull, try and open up those shoulders. So that one is not one you want to rush. You want to make sure it's not going into the lower back, but you're opening up the shoulders and you're pulling those ribs in, so you're not just flaring the ribs. They will a little bit to get a bit more range of motion, but you want to make sure you're getting a good position. For the back arch, you're going onto the ground now. Don't rush this when you're pressing up overhead. Start with the feet wider apart, hands wider apart. Make sure you feel nice and comfortable. So as you're going up, you've got that weight there. Now you may just work on just opening up those hips. After that, you can come up onto the head and come back down. Most of the weight in that is going to be in my wrists. Now the wrist flexibility is a big one with this, so you do not want to rush it. Coming up, you can bring the hands a bit closer together and then press the head off. So you just got the top of the head touching, chin in when you come down. Once you're getting more comfortable and the shoulders are opening up, you can start to press up and lock those elbows. Once that's opening, you can shrug up, open those shoulders, coming forward, bring the feet together, open up more and more. So you want to get that nice counterbalance, rock, tuck, to counterbalance opening up into extension. So for the standing back bridge, just stand out from it, have the feet apart to make it easier. You're going to sissy forward. Make sure you can spot what you're going for and then control your way down. Back up. Now you want to feel super safe in that. The recovery position for those is going to be that nice tuck either on the back like I did before with the back arch, or you can just do a child's pose position, traction that out. You do not want to rush this as a process. You want to make sure you're spreading it evenly through the hips, the shoulders, and not just jamming that lower back into extension. So work on good technique, get into it, and I'll see you soon.